G'day everyone, welcome to this very quick tutorial on how I use the studio files to print and cut my Collage Club sticker sheets or anything else I really want to use my Silhouette for. I have the Silhouette Portrait 3 and I make these little files in Collage Club. I'm going to open one for you. We'll go to June since that's the most recent. I will go into, it has to be one of these .studio 3 files. So it could be this one. Which one do I want to print again? I've actually should probably print something else from a different page that I do need to reprint already. You know what? I'll print this one because I do love this one. From the Studio 3 file, you can just simply open it and it will open up Silhouette. So I'm going to double click that. I don't know if double click is what opens things on your computer, but I'm going to do a double click. It's going to open up my Silhouette. This takes a hot second. Silhouette Studio is not the most user-friendly kind of application I've ever used. I find it to be really difficult. That's why I include the Studio 3 files so that you can just open them up and it's literally just 2 different steps. I'll even show you like, you know, putting the paper into my computer and printing it because there's not much else to know. So you can see it comes up with the page, like the design on it, and it comes up with the little cut lines already on there. This is not a tutorial on how to use cut lines or how to make them. That is something you're going to have to go and find on YouTube because honestly, I don't think I can explain it better than the videos I found. But to simply open up the document, everything's ready to go. You just have to go up to here. You can either press this little guy over here, this is the printer, or you can go up to File and press Print. This will show you the print preview of what you're going to get. So it actually prints out with this little registration mark. You need these because that's what's going to feed into the Silhouette and tell it where to cut. I'm going to press print. I also take a moment here to adjust my print settings for whatever I'm going to use. So I actually go to quality and media. This might look different depending on what printer you have, but if you can, I'd like to adjust the settings. So I go to matte photo paper since I print on a matte sticker paper, and I go to print quality high because I want it to be the best quality I can do. So from here, I'm going to press print, take you to the printer, and we'll just load it with sticker paper and see what prints out. Okay. So here is my printer. It's the Canon MX922, and I also have the onlinelabels.com 100 sheets of white sticker paper. It's just the matte white sticker paper in US letter size 8.5 by 11 inches. Alright, so it's all printed out and now I'm over at my Silhouette Portrait 3. I'm going to turn it on. The best thing about this one is that you don't need a cutting mat and it also has the little wireless like Bluetooth option there. So kind of sends the information straight from my computer to the machine. I have to load this paper in, so I'm just going to put it there between those 2 little white rolly feet. And I'm just going to press, once I've got it there, sorry, this is hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Once I've got it there, I'm going to press the little feed button, that little upwards arrow. There we go, here. And it feeds it in there, and then it's ready to go. So we have our paper fed into the machine, it's on, it's ready to go. I'm going up to the top right hand corner here to send, and this is going to send the cut information to the machine. Like I said, this one is wireless, so I don't need to connect it to the computer, but I think most of the other machines are like have a USB cable that you plug in. I'm so sorry I'm not much of a help unless you've got this exact machine because I don't really know how the rest of them work. But in any case, you've got an option up here. I just keep it on sticker paper white. Auto cut, that's another great feature of the Portrait 3. It's auto blade. You don't have to worry about resetting the depth or the pressure. So yeah, mine's all on auto. These little red lines here that you see, those are the cut lines. So say you actually decided to make some of your own cut files. If you saw any like red pop up in places you didn't want it, that just means there's a cut line there that you probably need to go and erase or like fix. But for these, I've already included them and they're all the way that I cut them out on my own machine. So you don't have to adjust anything. It is simply ready to go down to the bottom corner here to send, and you can just send that information and it will start cutting it for you. So literally we haven't touched anything. We've just pressed, we've gone up to the top here, press send, and now we're going to actually send it to the machine to cut it out. So let's press send and see what happens. The first step is it actually reads those little registration marks. Just make sure you've got enough space behind the machine so that it doesn't hit the wall or something. Once it reads all the registration marks, it should start cutting. The only time I've seen a problem with this is if it is glossy paper or if there's not a good light source. It struggles to read those registration marks a little bit. And it is noisy, so sometimes I just close it like this so I don't have to try and hear all of it. But we'll just watch the rest of it cut out and I'll show you the finished result in a second. Okay, and to get it out, we just want to press the down button and it will feed it out. And there we have it, a whole page of KissCut stickers ready to go. Didn't need a mat, didn't need to adjust the blade, didn't even need to make the cut files, just had to press, print, and send. It's as simple as that. I hope that was helpful to those of you who have this machine or a Silhouette or even something similar. Hopefully some of the information translates well, but this is how I get my collage sheets cut out, printed onto sticker paper, and then into my journals. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.